Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I have an easy one for you today. I want to take these 3 of my weakest solar igniters and this sunny day to ignite some charred punk wood. Let's start with the flashlight first. Always wear your shades to do your solar experiments. You see that mirror? That's meant to broadcast out the light from the light bulb, which would be down in this hole. We're going to use it in reverse. We're going to point it towards the sun and have a focal point come out right here. I'm going to have to do this one without my shades on. I cannot see down in there without my reading glasses on, and the shades make it even worse. So let's put it over that hole right there. Point it towards the sun. And it doesn't take long once you get it zeroed in just right. Right there, finally. All right. Let's do the spoon next. We'll try to do that with my shades on. It turned out to be more of a challenge than I thought it was going to be. Oh yeah, we got it that time. A lot of this has to do with me not being able to see well. And this one is very strong. I can't imagine we'd have any problem with it. Might be able to get up close with you on this one. Yeah. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.